this video clip, I'll be showing you step 1 for installing a wide-angle door viewer. This is the door viewer that we're going to be installing. It's also known as a peep hole. In this entryway, there are no windows or any other way to tell who's on the other side of that door. By installing this door viewer, it'll really aid in our safety. You want to make sure when installing your door viewer that you pick a location that looks good on the door. Obviously, the center would look a lot better than if it were on one of the sides. The next thing to consider is that your height that you're installing your door viewer is low enough that all people who are living in the household can look through it. I'm going to be installing mine on my center panel, and I'm going to install it a little under 5 feet up on the door. This should be a good height for everyone who lives in the household.